Don't let stress stress you out. How cute is that? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trina and today I'm going to be talking about vitamins and which ones I take. And today I was gifted some by Moon Juice. So there's 3 that come in here. They're all different, so I'm going to go over them. I haven't tried this brand before. If you guys have, let me know your thoughts and your comments on them. But I thought this was really interesting because one is for stress management, the other is for hair nutrition, and the other one is for cellular skincare. So on the back, they have a really good description of everything, and it's pretty cool because the stress one is Super You, so it's going to focus on your energy, mood, and focus. There's also hair nutrition for healthier, thicker, stronger hair. So even though I've been deep oiling my hair every week, and it has been growing because my hair was above my ears, so I have had a good amount of growth this year. I'm not upset, but I want it to be like maybe like 5 or 6 inches long, and then I'll be like, we're done. And last is cellular skincare, which has collagen, elasticity, and vitality. So I'm gonna get into this and show you guys what's in this package. And yeah, let's just get into this brand. Okay, so I went to an event and then this was gifted in my gift bag, and these are supposed to be supposedly so amazing. So I'm gonna open them with you guys. Let's see, this one here is for super hair. So 40 come in a capsule, well, in a bottle. And let me just open this so we can really see what these look like. I wonder if you could take 3 all in the same day. I think you probably should be able to since they all do different stuff. There we go. Okay. That out. Okay, so they're kind of big, but like a normal vitamin size. Nothing crazy. So this is the hair one. And it just seems like any other ordinary. It seems like powdery inside, but these seem normal for your hair. I usually use, what is it, Vegamore, which is just drops that I put on my scalp after I wash my hair. I do want my hair to grow, but I don't want it to not be thick, if that makes sense. Okay, so next up is the Super You. Okay, so this one I'm really interested in because I run around all day, all the time for work. I'm always working, I always have clients or doing something, so this is going to affect my mood as well as stress. So this one, I will keep you guys updated on how this feels and how I feel with it. Oh, okay, so literally they're all the same kind. This one has like a brown hue to it. So the hair one was like this light kind of like oatmeal, like wheat kind of color, and this one is more like brownie, cute. This one I will definitely take. This one only has 28 capsules in it. So the first one for your hair is 40, this one is 28. And the last one for your skin, this one has 20. Okay, so each of them have a different number of capsules. So the most is the hair. So this one is Super Beauty. And let's see, so open this one up. Okay, this one is like more of like an orangey kind of color. And yeah, well, this one seems like the biggest one. This feels like a little bit bigger than the other ones, but okay, I will be trying these this week. So I'm gonna double check if I could take all of these in the same day. I'm pretty sure I can, but I'm gonna double check and I'm going to give you guys an update on how I feel about this and maybe the results. So let's just look here. I'll do a photo of before and after for my hair so we can see. So if there's 40, maybe like almost 6 weeks, I'll have enough to take for this. So I will show you guys in maybe like 2 more weeks if there's any growth. So I think that'll be like enough time, or maybe 3 because then I'll be like the halfway mark. But yeah, so if you guys have tried this brand, Moon Juice, and you guys have any comments or recommendations, or if you like it or dislike it, let me know. Leave a comment and I will keep you guys updated, I promise. And yeah, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I will be back with another video, and I'll see you guys then. Bye.